So let's create a web application in which we are creating master pages. Okay, select ASP.NET web application, click on next, and here I said master page demo. Click on create. So web forms, click on create. So project is getting ready. Once it is ready, then first we will add a normal web form like web form 1 or whatever name you want, you can add it and we'll run it. So let me create a web form normally and then we will create a master page. The second web form I'm creating along with master page. In the sense we are adding master page to the web form itself. See guys, right now we have created a project and go to the solution explorer. We have some pages already there. Now right click on the project name, add, so new item. Here we have two options, web form and web form with master page. So right now I'm selecting web form only. It's a normal form I'm creating, web form 1.aspx. Click add. See guys, just it is simply creating a web form called web form 1. You can see here percentile at the rate page language is equal to C sharp auto event wire up true, something like this. Code behind is web form 1.aspx.cs. That's good. So page at the page means what? Is a web form or web page. Okay, so go to design. It's a simple web form, we don't have nothing, empty. Okay, but I want to give a common design to all my web pages, images, heading, logo, something like that. In that case, better to go for creating a master page. Now we are creating a master page. How to create master page? Right click, add, new item, and here you need to select a master page in the list of elements. Okay, you can see here guys, web forms master page. See the name of the thing, I mean extension site one dot master. You can give anything guys. I'm giving a my master, that is the name I'm giving, my master, or test master, whatever name you want you can give it, my master. Okay, click on add. So my master dot master. So this is what the web form, I mean master page is ready. See guys, you can see here percentile at master. Previously, when you go to web form 1, what was there in the source? Percentile at page, because it's a web form. But coming to master page, what is there? Percentile at master. So C sharp is the language and auto event wire up true and all common. So look at this guys. In this, let's save all, click on save all. You can see the design, it looks like a normal web form only. But when you go to the source view, here we have div tag open close. And this is called as ASP colon content placeholder ID something run at equals of. So this is called content page area. And above this, whatever is there is set to be, and here also it's a content placeholder. Okay, so content page area, this can be anything. This is used for adding controls like text boxes and all. Above this I'm adding an image guys. I want to display one image as logo. First of all, I should add an image to our project. How to add image to our project? Let's create a folder. Here we don't have a folder called images. Right click, add new folder. I'm saying, and the folder name is images. This is a good way to add images to images folder itself. Right click on the images folder, click on add option. We have something called existing item. This we need to select. Then go to your images folder. You can select any one image of your choice. Okay, so I have selected this image. Okay, something like Charminar I selected. Click on add. So charminar.jpg is ready guys. You can see this. So I want to add this Charminar image as a header to my what you call web page. So what I'm saying here, after div tag you need to add an image tag guys. Hope you know na image tag, img, or you can use server side ASP colon image, img tag open close, or ASP colon image, can see here, guys. By img tag. Let's take img. So img means image, guys. Src is equal to source is equal to. So here it is showing an option, pick URL. Double click on this and you can select image, images folder, charminar.jpg. Image is right. Image img tag. I hope you remember HTML tags, right? That is what I'm writing. Img src is equal to images slash charminar.jpg. And then here, yeah, that's it. Image is ready, but it will be a very big image, guys. Let's save it, go to the design, and you can see the code. The image is very big. It's completely occupied. No boss, I don't want this much big image. I want to make it small. Means what to do? You need to change the height and width. Height is equal to attributes I'm adding 300. Width is equal to something like 1500. Save it, Control S, go to the design. So it is looking better than earlier. Okay, same way you can increase the width. You can increase width from here also. You can do it manually like this. Whatever changes I'm doing here, that will be reflected, guys. Of course it is not looking good because the image is stretched actually, but no problem since it is only what you call a demo purpose. I'm using it, but better to have a nice image, which can be designed by Photoshop and all. If you keep it, it looks good. So this is said to be master page area, guys. Whatever we are creating now is master page. Okay, and in the footer below this is content page area where user will add his or her own text boxes, buttons, labels, everything. And below this I want to add what you call footer. I want to add footer. So let's take h2 and I said footer section. Okay, like copyrights. Okay, 2022, something like this I'm giving. Wins of technologies I'm giving. Okay, some message. Yeah, so let's go to design. So copyrights at 2022 wins of technology, something like this. So in between this area you can see here, guys, content placeholder one. This should be content page area. Of course you can't see right now clearly, but let us leave it. And if you want to add any buttons, go to source, and in place of this you can add a buttons or hyperlinks if you want to add. Okay, so you can add a buttons like home button. Okay, so like this you can add. Yeah, so like this you can add buttons also, guys. If you want to add any hyperlinks, buttons like that you can add. So let's see this now how it works without adding. Before adding, let's see the design. So it is okay, fine. So this is header section, this is footer section, and I want to make it center alignment, right? Source h2 space align is equal to center. Save it, Control S, go to design. Now it is center aligned. So perfect. So my master page is ready, guys. Master page name is my master. It's ready now. So now what I want to do, I want to add another web form. So be careful, guys, while adding another web form. Web form 2 I'm adding. Right click, add new item. So here this time I'm not selecting web form directly. Web form with master page, very very important point you need to remember. So click on add button. The name of the web form is your choice, guys. You can give web form 2 or whatever, login form or whatever. So click on add button. Now it will ask you which master page you want to select. By default site.master, site.mobile.master is already given by ASP.NET, but I want to use my own master page. That is why I'm selecting my master. Just click on OK. See, guys, go to the design and you will see a web form with this. See, you can see here, red color mark. I cannot modify this area. I cannot modify this area because this is header, this is footer. And if this is said to be content area, content placeholder, I can insert a table here. Insert table. I can add as many as rows I want. I can add a text box, label, whatever you want. Okay, something like a value or username, password. I can design a login form here, whatever. Username, So double click on this. I want to add a text box here. Okay, password I'm taking. Double click on text box. Okay, and you can add a button here, login button. So it says Control A, select all. Go to the properties. You can increase the font size if you want to increase. You can directly go to this font size, double X large. Okay, it is increased. And you can change this property called a button property as text property as login. And you can write the code. The code is common, right? We are not talking about the code now, guys. We are only focusing on master page, how it works. Okay. Of course, you can double click on the login button and you can write the code. Right now, we are not focusing on the code, guys. We are only working with the login form. You can give a heading if you want to give any heading. Select it, right click, modify and merge. So you'll get a common heading. If you want to give, you can give it login form, something like this. So but I want to design, I want to give same design to registration form also. So again, I don't want to waste the time here. Simply I will add another web form. Right click, add new item, web form with master page, web form 3.aspx, or you can say register.aspx. Click on add. Which master page you want to select? My master.master. Click on OK. So now what to do? Go to the design. You will see the same thing. Now go to table, insert table. In content page area, I'm adding what you call controls. Like I can add a name of the person, mobile number, all the registration related to text boxes, radio buttons, all these things I can add, guys. So Control A and go to increasing font size. Okay, name, mobile number, email ID, whatever you want, you can add it, and finally you can click on register button. Okay, so like this you can do. So here we are talking about only design part. So what is the advantage of master page? This design is header is image is coming from master page. This footer area is also coming from master page. So what are we doing now? We are only focused on the content page. That's it. Whatever text boxes, radio buttons you want to add, you add it and write the code. Same way for the login form also. Let's run it and see, guys. Whenever you run this login form, it looks like it is designed in the same page itself. But this design called header, footer, both are coming from two different, coming from master pages. And whatever the text boxes are added, that is coming from content page. Okay. So in that way, you can create a consistent look to all the pages of your website with the help of master pages. That is why, so most of the situations we go